Have you ever heard of Jade Perch? Well, this fish is gaining popularity not just because of its unique name, but mainly due to its high content of omega-3 fatty acids. This fish has recently taken the crown as the new king of omega-3 South, boasting levels that are up to 100 times higher than those found in lean beef. That's an impressive stat. But what exactly makes the Jade Perch so special? And how does it stack up against other types of fish when it comes to omega-3 South? Let's take a closer look at this fascinating fish and find out why it's becoming such a hit among seafood lovers and health enthusiasts alike. Is the Jade Perch really as good as they say? Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out. Welcome back, folks. If you're not yet subscribed, consider subscribing now with us below, and don't forget to like this video to share nerd tech. Thanks. Now let's get started. But first, let me ask you guys a question. Did you know that according to a recent study conducted by the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, more than 2 billion people rely on fish as their primary protein source, while over 3 billion people depend on fish as a significant source of omega-3 fatty acids? It's no surprise then that fish has become one of the most popular sources of protein worldwide. With its high omega-3 content, fish has numerous health benefits, including improved brain function, reduced inflammation, and a lower risk of heart disease. And that's where the Jade Perch comes in. A new study conducted by universities in Australia analyzed over 200 varieties of seafood and found that the Jade Perch had the highest level of docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, which is an important omega-3 fatty acid found in the brain and eyes. The research also revealed that the omega-3 levels in Jade Perch were up to 100 times higher than in traditional meats like beef and pork. So it seems that Jade Perch is indeed a true king of omega-3 South. Jade Perch, scientifically known as Scrotum barku, is a freshwater fish native and endemic in a number of Queensland rivers in Australia. Despite its common name, it has no relation to the actual perch fish species. The fish typically grows up to 18 inches in length and can weigh around 6 pounds. It's named after its greenish-gray color, which resembles the precious gemstone jade, making it popular in the Asiatic communities in Australia. The fish is prized not only for its stunning appearance but also for its delicious flavor and highly nutritional value. Interestingly, the level of omega-3 fatty acids in Jade Perch can vary depending on its diet. When fed a diet containing high levels of fish oil or microalgae, the fish's meat contains more omega-3 sal. Additionally, the texture of the meat is quite delicate, making it perfect for steaming or baking. However, some aquaculturists have reported that it can sometimes be challenging to farm due to its sensitivity to stress, easy bruising when harvesting due to its fight or flight response, and in this case, a powerful stocky tail to evade aquatic predators, all of which can result in mortalities. Nevertheless, its unique properties make it an exciting prospect for farmers and consumers alike. So, what exactly makes the Jade Perch stand out from other types of fish? While many fish contain omega-3 fatty acids, the Jade Perch has a particularly high concentration of DHA, which is important for brain function and overall health. In fact, studies show that eating just 50 grams of Jade Perch provides more than 75 grams of the recommended daily intake of DHA for adults. Not only that, but the fish is also packed with other nutrients, such as vitamin D and B12, selenium and phosphorus, all of which are essential for maintaining good health. In addition to its omega-3 content, the Jade Perch has several other qualities that make it a desirable choice for both farmers and consumers. Firstly, it has a mild, slightly sweet flavor that's not fishy at all, making it appealing to a wide range of palates. Its firm yet flaky texture also adds to its appeal as it can be prepared in various ways without compromising its quality. Moreover, the fish is low in mercury and other heavy metals, making it safe for consumption even for pregnant women and young children. All these factors contribute to the growing popularity of the Jade Perch as a nutritious and delicious seafood option. What's more, the Jade Perch is becoming increasingly popular in the aquaculture industry, due to its high market demand and potential for sustainable farming. Farmers are drawn to its fast growth rate similar to the barramundi and adaptability to different environments, making it an attractive choice for commercial production. The fish can reach market size in just 6 to 8 months, although water quality and temperature play a large factor of appetite metabolism, making this fish a quick turnaround for farmers looking to maximize their profits. Moreover, the Jade Perch is tolerant of a wide range of water temperatures and oxygen levels, allowing for year-round farming in various climates. But the benefits of the Jade Perch don't stop there. Studies have shown that consuming omega-3 rich foods like Jade Perch can have significant impacts on our health. For starters, omega-3 South are essential for brain function and can improve cognitive performance, memory, and focus. They also play a vital role in reducing inflammation in the body, which can help prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Additionally, omega-3s South are crucial for maintaining healthy skin and hair, and they can even boost our mood and reduce symptoms of depression. However, it's worth noting that the omega-3 content of fish, like Jade Perch, can vary depending on their diet and environment. Fish that consume more fish and shellfish tend to have higher omega-3 levels. Therefore, choosing wild-caught Jade Perch or those raised on a diet rich in omega-3 South can ensure that you're getting the maximum health benefits. Furthermore, the American Heart Association recommends consuming at least 2 servings of fish per week to reap the full benefits of omega-3 South. So, incorporating imported Australian Jade Perch into your diet if you live in America can be an easy and delicious way to meet this recommendation. So next time you're at the grocery store, look out for this unique fish and give it a taste. You might just discover your new favorite seafood. The Jade Perch is farmed using advanced sustainable methods, ensuring that you enjoy its benefits without harming the direct environment. By choosing this eco-friendly option, you're also supporting responsible fishing practices and protecting marine ecosystems for future generations. So not only will you feel great after a meal of fresh Jade Perch, you can also feel good about the positive impact you're having on the planet. It's a win-win situation. Scrotum barku is an excellent choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Unlike many other types of fish, it doesn't require long-distance transportation, meaning it has a lower carbon footprint. By choosing the Jade Perch, you're reducing your contribution to greenhouse gas emissions and helping to combat climate change. Additionally, the fish is often farmed locally to a CBD, which means it supports your local economy and reduces the need for imports. By choosing the Jade Perch, you're not only taking care of your own health, but also contributing to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly future and supporting local employment. It's a smart choice for both you and the planet. And finally, let's talk about that environment. The Jade Perch is farmed in a way that minimizes its direct impact on the surrounding ecosystem. Unlike traditional open-water fish farms, many Jade Perch farms use recirculating aquaculture systems, which means that the water used to raise the fish is constantly cleaned and filtered, reducing the amount of waste and pollution produced. This not only helps protect the environment, but also ensures that the fish are raised in a healthier, more sustainable way. Additionally, the Jade Perch's natural diet consists of small aquatic animals and plants, meaning it doesn't require large amounts of fish meal or other unsustainable feed sources. With the addition of aquaponics, an integrated farming method of fish with plants, this can be taken one step further. So there you have it, folks. The Jade Perch truly has a lot to offer, from its impressive omega-3 content to its sustainable farming practices and minimal environmental impact. It's no wonder why this fish is gaining popularity among health-conscious consumers and eco-friendly shoppers alike. Give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it in Aquaculture Oz with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date on all our latest content. Now, if you would like us to talk about anything in particular that is aquaculture related and nerd tech worthy, then make a comment below and we will try to put that together for you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.